Ready to bring your entire Zalando wardrobe right to your fingertips with a super simple download process for your iPhone. First things first, let's head over to the App Store. You'll recognize it by its iconic blue icon with a white A inside a circle. Give that a tap to open it up. Now that you're in the App Store, look for the magnifying glass icon at the very bottom of your screen. This is your search button. Tap that to open up the search bar. In the search bar that pops up at the top, you're going to type in Zalando. Make sure you spell it correctly, Zalando. As you type, you'll see search results start to populate. Look for the official Zalando app. It usually has their recognizable Zalando logo and often mentions fashion or shopping. Once you've found it, tap on the app itself to go to its detail page. On the app's page, you'll see a button that says Get. Sometimes it might have a cloud icon with an arrow if you've downloaded it before. But for a new download, it will say Get. Tap that button. You might be prompted to confirm your download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once confirmed, you'll see a blue circle indicating the download progress. When it's finished, the Zalando app icon will appear on your iPhone's home screen. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded the Zalando app. Tap on the icon to explore endless fashion possibilities right from your iPhone.